Would you like to tap into wind energy without the need for a large and noisy wind turbine in your backyard? We here introducing the RidgeBlade, an innovative wind turbine designed for roof installation. The RidgeBlade stands apart from other wind turbines due to its modern, noiseless, and exceptionally effective design. Its sleek and silent design makes it an unobtrusive addition to any home, in stark contrast to the clunky and noisy turbines of the past. It's capable of producing electricity across various wind conditions, including those with low wind speeds, and it has an inconspicuous visual presence. With the RidgeBlade, you can generate power even in locations with varying wind patterns, ensuring a more stable energy supply. But how does it function and how does it stack up against other renewable energy options such as solar panels? To better understand its operation and benefits, let's delve into the details. Besides, this video will explore the inner workings of the RidgeBlade, offering insights into its efficiency and environmental benefits. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you find this content engaging. It is a fact that the rising costs of energy have many homeowners seeking ways to reduce their electricity bills while also making eco-friendly choices. The RidgeBlade operates on a simple yet ingenious principle: the Aeolian wind focus effect. This natural phenomenon, harnessed by the RidgeBlade, offers a unique way to harness wind energy efficiently. This effect is observed when air moves more swiftly over a curved surface, such as an airplane wing or a roof. Understanding the science behind the RidgeBlade's operation can help homeowners appreciate its innovative approach. The RidgeBlade harnesses this phenomenon to capture and concentrate the wind passing over your roof, converting it into electricity. By capturing and concentrating the wind, the RidgeBlade maximizes energy generation even in locations with moderate wind speeds. The RidgeBlade consists of modular rotor units affixed to a rail system along the ridge of your roof. This modular design ensures easy installation and maintenance, making it an accessible option for homeowners. Each rotor unit features 4 blades that rotate in opposite directions, creating a balanced and steady system. The counter-rotating blades maintain stability and reduce vibrations, ensuring reliable and quiet operation. These rotors are linked to a generator that produces AC power, which can be used directly or stored in a battery system. The flexibility of the RidgeBlade's power output makes it a versatile choice for homeowners looking to store excess energy. Depending on your specific requirements, the RidgeBlade can be customized for grid-tied, off-grid, or hybrid systems. The RidgeBlade's adaptability allows homeowners to choose the setup that best aligns with their energy needs and goals. One of the key benefits of the RidgeBlade is its ease of installation and upkeep. The straightforward installation process minimizes the hassle and expense of setting up renewable energy systems. It can be installed on most roof types, be it flat, pitched, or curved. The RidgeBlade's compatibility with various roof types ensures it can be incorporated into a wide range of homes. Furthermore, it can be personalized to match the color and style of your roof tiles. The ability to customize the RidgeBlade's appearance ensures it seamlessly integrates with the aesthetics of your home. The RidgeBlade operates with a noise level of under 40 decibels, equivalent to a hushed conversation, and boasts a lengthy lifespan of over 2 decades, requiring minimal maintenance. Its low noise level and durability make the RidgeBlade a hassle-free and long-term solution for homeowners. Now, let's compare the RidgeBlade to the widely adopted renewable energy source, solar panels. Solar panels have dominated the renewable energy landscape for years, but the RidgeBlade offers a unique alternative. While solar panels convert sunlight into electricity using photovoltaic cells and have contributed to cleaner power generation worldwide, they come with certain limitations. Understanding the pros and cons of solar panels is crucial for making informed choices about renewable energy. For instance, solar panels depend on the availability and intensity of sunlight, which varies with time, weather, and location. Solar panels are highly dependent on weather conditions and daylight hours, affecting their efficiency in some regions. They also lose efficiency as they heat up during peak hours. Efficiency fluctuations in solar panels due to temperature can impact their energy output during critical times. Additionally, solar panels occupy substantial space on your roof or ground, which may not be practical for some homeowners. Solar panel installations require adequate space and unobstructed sunlight, which may not be feasible for all homes. In contrast, the RidgeBlade offers several advantages over solar panels. The RidgeBlade offers unique benefits that set it apart from traditional solar panels. It can generate electricity even in cloudy or rainy conditions, outperforming solar panels in low-light scenarios. The RidgeBlade's ability to generate power in varied weather conditions makes it a reliable energy source. It boasts a higher efficiency rating and maintains its performance in hotter conditions thanks to a lower temperature coefficient. The RidgeBlade's efficiency in diverse weather conditions and temperature stability make it a more consistent energy producer. Furthermore, the RidgeBlade occupies less space, preserving the aesthetic appeal of your roof. The compact design of the RidgeBlade ensures it doesn't detract from the visual appeal of your home. In the context of 2023, the RidgeBlade becomes even more appealing and competitive when compared to solar panels for several reasons. As renewable energy technologies advance, the RidgeBlade has become an even more attractive choice for homeowners. The cost of the RidgeBlade has significantly decreased over the years, making it a cost-effective alternative to solar panels, with an average cost of around $2.05 per watt. The decreasing cost of the RidgeBlade reflects the ongoing improvements in wind energy technology, making it a budget-friendly option. The RidgeBlade offers a higher return on investment as it generates more electricity per watt and square meter than solar panels. This improved efficiency translates to more energy production for each unit of space and cost, resulting in a better return on investment. The demand for the RidgeBlade has surged in 2023 due to increasing awareness and interest in renewable energy sources among consumers and governments. With the world's increasing focus on sustainability, the RidgeBlade has gained significant attention and adoption. Many homeowners, businesses, and communities have adopted the RidgeBlade, especially in areas where solar panels may not be suitable. The RidgeBlade's adaptability to different conditions and environments has made it a preferred choice for a wide range of users. The RidgeBlade has also received support and incentives from various programs and policies that promote wind energy. Government incentives and supportive policies make adopting the RidgeBlade even more appealing and financially attractive. Furthermore, the performance and reliability of the RidgeBlade have improved significantly in 2023 due to ongoing research and development by the Power Collective and its partners. The continuous improvement of the RidgeBlade's performance ensures it remains a cutting-edge renewable energy solution. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us. And guess what? The adventure doesn't stop here. We've got more exciting content in the pipeline, covering the latest in tech, science, and innovation. So make sure you stay tuned for our upcoming videos. If you have any questions, ideas, or topics you'd like us to explore, please drop a comment below. We love hearing from our amazing community of viewers. In the meantime, explore our other videos and connect with us on social media. You can find all the details in the description box below. Once again, thank you for being a part of our journey. Together, we're shaping a brighter, cleaner, and more informed future. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in our next video.